My face is finished, my body's gone, and I can't help but think, standing up here in all this applause and gazing down at all the young and the beautiful with their questioning eyes, that I must above all things love myself, that I must above all things love myself, that I must above all things love myself. I saw a girl in a crowd, I ran over, I shouted out, I asked if I could take her out, but she just said she didn't want to. I changed the sheets on my bed, I combed the hairs across my head, I sucked in my gut, and still she said that she just didn't want to. Read her Yeats, I tried the best to stay up late, I fixed the hinges on her gate, but even then she just said that she just didn't want to. I bought her a dozen Snow White dogs, I did her dishes in rubber gloves, I called her honeybee, I called her love, but she just didn't want to. Every type of flower, played guitar by the hour. I patted her revolting little chihuahua, but even then she just said that she didn't want to. I thought I'd try another tack. I drank a liter of cognac. I threw her down upon her back, but she just laughed at me and said that she just didn't want to. I thought I'd have another go. I called her my little hoe. I felt like Marcel Marceau must feel when she laughed at me and said that she just didn't want to. She just never wants to. I got the no pussy blues. I got the no pussy blues. I got the